And if it is possible to make one meaningful English word starting with S with second, seventh, ninth and 11. Second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 11. What are the letters we have? S, R, T, O. Now tell me what is the word that can be found starting with S? S-O-R-T, short. Isn't it? Sorting. And so what is the last letter here? T is the last letter, that is choice for question number 66. Then in this 67, the code given to the word radish. R and T, what is the difference? So have plus 2. A and C plus 2, D and F plus 2, plus 2 plus 2 and so on. And similarly person, P plus 2 R, E plus 2 Z, R plus 2 T, U, Q and P. R, G, T, U, Q, P. R, G, T, U, Q, P, choice to question number 67. Then coming to the 68, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word corporate? C-O-R, P-O-R-A-T. Now in this one, tell me how many pairs we have. Then starting with the C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, O, P, Q, R, S, T. And next one R, S, T, U, V and P, Q, R. Make it out on the P, Q, R, S, T. And next one R, S, T. There are three all together. And next one R, S, T, that's it. Left hand side to right hand side, if you check out here, O and P, there is one more. And more than 3, that is choice 1, question number 68. Then coming to the 69, there are some 8 people seated around a circular table. And all these persons are facing towards the center. Then, and J is an immediate neighbor of both P and N. J is an immediate neighbor of both P and N. P and N can be like this. This is one possibility. And the second possibility, and P is to the right hand side of J. Now J is here, P and N. J is an immediate neighbor of both P and N. And K is third to the left of P. K is third to the left of P. K is here. And here again K is third to the left of P. L is seated second to the left of K. L is seated second to the left of K. And Q is immediate right of O. Now Q is immediate right of O, Q and O. Now here Q is an immediate right of O, Q and O is here. And L and Q are not immediate neighbors to each other. Now in this case, L and Q are adjacent to each other. This case is ruled out. Then tell me who is the person left over here? M is the person left over. Done with this? Now this is about question number 69 to 73. Shall I explain the questions? Now questions explain then next one coming to question number 74 onwards. Now here it is based on boxes. How many boxes are there? There are some 7 boxes are kept one above the other in a stack. B is kept immediately below H. Where is this B? B is kept immediately below H. B and H must be like this. And next one, only 2 boxes between B and C. In between B and C, there must be exactly 2 boxes. And this is one case. And the next case, H and B were here. And there are exactly 2 boxes between B and C. And there are 2 boxes between B and C. Only 1 box is in between C and P. Now in between C and P, there must be exactly 1 box. In this case, P is here. Now in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And P can be either here or P can be here. There are 2 possibilities. And next one, P is kept at one of the positions above C. Yes, P is kept at one of the positions above C. And so where is this one? P is kept at one of the positions above C. And C, P must be at this place. P is kept at one of the positions above C. In the first case, we have only 5, and in the second case, we have some 6. Then P is kept, and only 3 boxes between P and D. Now in between P and D, there must be exactly 3. 1, 2, 3. B, H and D must be in the same place. Not possible. Now between P and D, how many boxes are there? There must be exactly 3. 1, 2, 3. Now D can be here. That it is one such a possibility. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And D can be at the last. And then and D is kept at one of the positions below P. Now D is kept at one of the positions below P. That's called information. D is kept at one of the positions below P means D must be here. They get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Q is kept at one of the positions above A. Now Q is here and this is A. Now this is the final arrangement HB, PQ, CAD. That is question number 74 to 78. 74 to 78. Then coming to question number 79 onwards. Now in this question number 79, it is based on letter series. Now starting with E, I, M, Q, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. Q plus 4 is U. And second letter H plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. T plus 4 is X. U and X choice 3, question number 79. Then in this question number 18, and how many such meaningful English word can be made with these 4 letters. Yes, tell me what are the words that can be formed? Yes, P-R-E-Y, pray. And anything else apart from this one? No. And P-E-R-Y. P-E-R-Y లేదా P-E-R-I ఉంటుంది. No. P-E-R. Then what is your answer here? How many that can be formed? And pray is one such thing. P-E-R-Y. Do you have any such word like P-E-R-Y? ఒకసారి చూడండి. పెరి. P-Y-R-E, sorry. P-Y-R-E, pyre. Yes, pyre is the word that can be formed. Pyre, what do you mean by this pyre? Now, pyre ante meaning em cheppandi. Now, once the person has been dead, then he will be into pyre antaru. Avuna kada? Chiti antaru chusaru, chiti mantarani pyre antam. P-Y-R-E, pyre. Okay, hence how many words can be formed? There are 2 such words can be formed. Question number 80. Choice. Then coming to this 81 onwards, now it is based on set of numbers. If 2 is subtracted from the last digit of every odd number, 2 is subtracted from the last digit of every odd number ante demoval cheppani 413. Now here this would be 325 and 2 is added to the last digit of every even number and this would be 766 and this is 544 and this is 258. Then in how many numbers as found will a digit appear twice? Now 6 appear twice, 325, 4 appear twice. Hence in 2 of the numbers the digits were appeared twice, that is choice 3, question number 81. Then 82. Now if all the numbers are arranged in ascending order from left to right, all the numbers are arranged. Numbers mean this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4 and 5. All the numbers are arranged in the ascending order, then which of the following will be the sum of all the 3 digits of the number which is 4th from the left. Now 4th from the left ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి and 542 and then sum is 5 plus 4, 9 plus 2, 11, choice 4, question number 82. Then 83, now in this the positions of the first and the second digits of each of the numbers are interchanged. Then what will be the resultant of the first digit of the highest number? Now we need to identify the first digit of the highest number, which digit is coming to the first place, second digit. Now among the second digit this is 1, 6, 2, 4, 5. Which is the highest here? 6 is the highest. అవునా కదా? And first digit of the highest number అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమొచ్చింది చెప్పండి 6 is divided by second digit of the lowest number. Now tell me what is the lowest number we have? Now 145. 145 లో second digit ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి 4. Now 6 divided by 4, this is 1.5, choice 1, question number 83. Then 84, now in each number all the digits are arranged in descending order from left to right within the number. You know how many numbers thus found will the first digit be exactly divided by 2? And the digits are arranged in the descending order. Which digit comes at the first place? The highest digit. Then among this one, what is the highest? Highest 5 is not divided by 2. And highest 7, here highest 5, here highest 6. And there is only one such number which is divided by 2. Saripinda reda? And choice 4, 84. Then 85, what will be the resultant of the third digit of the lowest? Now lowest number, what is the lowest number here? 256. Third digit is 6. And the highest numbers, what is the highest number? 764. The third digit is 4, 6 into 4 is almost 24, choice 4, 85. Then coming to this one, 86 onwards, then it is based on inequalities here, the relation between L and T, two opposite symbols, no relation. M and W, again two opposite symbols, no relation. And so what is your answer? Neither one nor two, choice 3, question number 86. Then 87, now both the P and B. B is here, P is here, which element is common? C. Now B lesser than C, C lesser than or equals to P, B lesser than P, and P greater than B. And the relation between K and P. Now P greater than or equals to C undi kada, and P greater than or equals to C, and at the same time C greater than or equals to K, and P greater than or equals to K means K lesser than or equals to P. And so what is your answer? Both 1 and 2, that is given in choice 5, question number 87. The next one, saripinda leda? Then 88. Now in this 88, the relation between W and O. Now between O and W, O lesser than or equals to W means W is either greater than or equals. Either 1 or 2, choice 3, question number 88. The next one, 89, if all the letters are dropped from the above arrangement, which of the following will be 5th from the right? 5th from the right without the letters. Without the letters, 5th from the right, ఏమని చెప్పండి 1, this is 2, and next one this is 3, 4 and 5. What is the number we have? 2, that is choice 2, question number 89. సరిపోయిందా? And మరి రెండు చాయిస్లు ఇచ్చారు కదా 2 and 2. Maybe one could be Z, ఒకటేమో Z అవ్వాలి. Then next 90. Now 4Q star Now 4 నుంచి Q కి రండి 1 2 3 4 5 plus 5 and Q and star 1 2 3 4 5 plus 5 and again star 1 2 3 4 5 plus 5 1 2 3 4 5 and what should be the first element here? D should be the first element. Among the given choices there are two choices with D as the first letter. Then coming to the second letters here, now the relation between y and at the rate of y and at the rate of 1 2 3 4 5 plus 5 at the rate of 1 2 3 4 5 plus 5 2. Isn't it? And 2 నుంచి 1 2 3 4 5 z నుంచి 1 2 3 4 5 and what should be the next element here? P. Now D and P, that is choice for question number 90. And 91st, which of the following is 5th to the left or 24th from the left? And aim all Japan left and left means subtraction. Now 24 minus 5 is how much? 19th from the left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. And so what is your answer here? B, that is choice 91. Am I saripenda? And 19th, that is choice 2. And 92. And how many such symbols are there? Now the question is about a symbol, each of which is immediately preceded by a number and followed by a letter. And the sequence must be number, symbol and a letter. Now number, this number is not followed by symbol, number not followed by symbol. And again, number not followed by symbol, number not followed by symbol, and so on. I mean, is there anything of that category? None, that is choice 3. Then 93. Now 4 out of the following means odd one out, B, V and D. Now B and V, what is the difference we have between these two? B and V 1 2 plus 2 and V and minus 1 and D, that is plus 2. Plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Next one J and 7. Amma J ki 7 ki cheppandi plus 2 and 7 and dollar. 7 and dollar, it is minus 1 and dollar and Z, this is plus 2 once again. And 2 1 2 2 1 2. The next one M and U. M ki U ki plus 1 undi. Hence which is the odd one here? Choice 3 is the odd one. 93 choice 1. Then 94 onwards syllogisms here. Now logically follows on. And only S R and meaning and Japan, all these R belongs to only for S. And this R does not belong to anything else. And they get R and the S and only a few WRS, only some of the WRS but not all. Only some W but not all, and all XRW. And all these XRW. Then coming to this one, some XRS is a possibility. And some XRS is a possibility. Avutunda leda? Amma XR raskone chance undi kada? Yes. Some WRR, there is no intersection. Hence what is your answer? Only one, 94 choice 1. Then coming to this 95. And each bangle chain. Each bangle chain, tell me how to represent this one. Each is nothing but all. All these bangles are chains and some of the chains are rings. And only a few gold is ring. Only few gold is ring means all gold are ring, but and only some gold are ring but not all. And this entire gold cannot be a part of this ring. And next one, some rings are bangles. Amma cheppacha? No. And no bangle is a ring, definitely true. No bangle is a ring, true. And the false and some of the bangles are rings. Cheppacha leda? Hence, alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false, and some rings are bangles has become true. And so what is your answer? Either one or two. Either 1 or 2, and it is given in choice 5, question number 95. Then coming to this 96, all these pulp or cream. Now this entire pulp is a part of this cream. Only a few pulps are spices. And a few pulps are spices. That means some pulps are spices. And all these spices are what? Are a part of cover. Only pulps are creams kada? Only pulp or cream. That means this entire cream is a part of pulp only. Now this entire cream is a part of pulp only. A few pulp are spices and some pulps are spices. And all these spices are what? All spices are covers. And some covers are spices uchinda manaki. Cover ekkada vachindi and spice. And this is cover. Onaga some covers are spices too. And some pulps are cover uchinda. Some pulps are cover. Yes. And so both 1 and 2, choice 3, question number 96. Then 97 onwards, it is based on an 8% and going on holiday and 4 different months. Now 4 different months and 2 different dates. Now what are the months we have? Jan. Now the dates in Jan are 13, Jan 13, Jan 26. And next one, after this Jan, March, April, May. Now March 13, March 26. Jan, March, April 13 and April 26. Jan, March, April and July 13 and July 26. Done with this? Now these are the 4 months we have. July unda ledhu kada. Jan, March, April and May. Now May 13 and May 26. Now in this, now out of these 4 months, Jan, March and July, now these 3 months have 31 days, but as April is the only month which is having 30 days. Ante kada? And so whenever these months and dates were given, first we need to determine the number of months. అందులో లోయెస్ట్ తక్కువ ఏది ఉందో దాని మీద ఫస్ట్ ఫోకస్ చేస్తే పాసిబిలిటీస్ అక్కడ నుంచి మొదలయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ ఎక్కువ. అండ్ ఎల్ గోస్ ఇన్ ద మంత్ విచ్ హాజ్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్. చూడండి ఇక్కడే ఇచ్చాడు. ఎల్ గోస్ ఇన్ ద మంత్ విచ్ హాజ్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్. ఈవెన్ ఏది రావాలి చెప్పండి? మేబీ April 13th ఆర్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్కడ రావచ్చు, ఆర్ April 26. అంతే కదా? అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, and 2 persons go between L and O. Now in between L and O, how many persons are there? There must be exactly 2 people. And K goes just before O. And K goes just before O. Here మనకు O రెండు cases ఉన్నాయి. O can be here or O can be here. అంతే కదా? There are 2 possibilities. And K goes just before O. O who is traveling to Goa. Now this O is traveling to which place? Goa. And more than 4 persons between K and M. And K and M more than 4 అంటే minimum 5 persons ఉండాలి. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 M is at this place. సరిపోయిందా? And more than 4 persons between K and M. Neither K nor J is traveling to Manipur. Now K and J, Manipur is ruled out. K and J, Manipur is ruled out. And next one, Q goes before J and after N. And Q is before J and after N. Q is before J. The one who is traveling to Karnataka is immediately Bihar. Now this Karnataka is immediately whom? Immediately Bihar. And Bihar, but in the same month. That means Karnataka and Bihar must be in the same month. And J goes in the month which has even number days. Now J goes in the month which has even number days, J is here. If J is here, Q is here. Q is here, N is here. Ante kadam? Then who is the person left over here? P na? P must be at this place. And J goes in the month which has even. P does not go in an odd number date of the month. Odd number. Ikkada manaki P is going in the odd number month. Hence this case is completely ruled out. Saripinda leda? Hence we have left with only 2 possibilities in the second case. That means L must be in the month of April and that too 13th of April. Ante kada? April 13th. Now April 13th L, manaki rendu possibilities undipoyinayi. What are the possibilities we have? And O can be here or, and in the next case L is here and O is here. And 2 persons between L and O. Done? And at the same time, J is also in the month of April. Hence L and J must be together. Then, ఇంకొకసారి కండిషన్ చెక్ చేద్దాము. L goes in the month which is traveling to Rajasthan, even number of days, and traveling to Rajasthan. As L is traveling to which place? Rajasthan. And here also L is traveling to Rajasthan. And next one, 2 persons between L and O. K goes just before O. K is just before O. And O is traveling to which place? O is traveling to Goa. And here also O is traveling to Goa. More than 4 persons between K and M, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. M is here. And more than 5 persons between K and M, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. M can be here or M can be here. There are 2 possibilities in the second case. Neither K nor J is traveling to Manipur. And Q goes before J and after N. And Q goes before J and after N. Hence in this case N, Q and J. Saripindi kada? N, Q and J. And Q goes before this one and after J. And the one who is traveling to Karnataka is immediately before Bihar. And both these 2 persons are in the same month. Same month ante aithe March avvachu lekapothe now May. March and May. Next one, J goes in the month which has even number days. P does not go in an odd number day of the month. P does not go on an odd number day of a month. That means P must be on an even number. Hence P must be at this place. If P is, then who is the person left over? M is the person left over. Now between K and M, how many persons? There are exactly 5 persons. And P goes after L. Now in this case, P is after L, that is ruled out. Then hence we have left with only one. And is traveling to Kerala. Who is traveling to Kerala here? P is traveling to Kerala. If P is traveling to Kerala, Karnataka and Bihar must be in the same, isn't it? Same month. And Karnataka is before this one. Hence Karnataka must be on March 13th. And Bihar is on March 26th. And K and J, Manipur is ruled out. K and J, Manipur is ruled out. Hence M must be Manipur. Saripenda? And J is traveling to Punjab. Now this is Punjab. Then what is the only state left over here? Next migilipindi Odisha. Hence K is going to Odisha. Done with this? And who among the following person goes just after the one Odisha? O is the answer. Done? Now this is the final arrangement we have. ఇంతకుముందు చూడండి ఇక్కడ మనం ఆ ఫస్ట్ కేసు ఒకదానికి వెళ్ళిపోయాం. అప్పటికి ఇక్కడ రెండు పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. అక్కడేమో సింగిల్ పాసిబిలిటీ. లక్కీగా స్ట్రైక్ అవుతుందేమో ట్రై చేసాం, అక్కడ అవ్వాల. Then we have taken two possibilities rather than working three different possibilities. Okay? And this is about 97 to 100. Next one, number series. Number series questions please. 51. Now in this question number 51 onwards, 51. Now 51 చెప్పండి. Now 4, 8, 32 now. 4, 8, 32. Now if you observe here, numbers starting with the 4 and the numbers are 15,000, 14,000, 13,000 and so on. Numbers are increasing at a very faster rate. మరి ఏం చేయాలి? Product or combination. Now in this one, product or combination, మరి ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి ఇందులో? Now 4 and 8. 4, 8, 32, isn't it? Now 4 into 2, and next one 8 into 4, and next one into 6 into 8 into 10, 15360. Choice for question number 51. Then coming to 52. Now 3 and 5. How can I express this one? Now 3, 17 into 2, 34 minus 1. 9 into 2, 18 minus 1. 5 into 2, 10 minus 1. 3 into 2, 6 minus 1. 33 into 2, 66 minus 1. 65. Choice 4. Into 2 minus 1, into 2 minus 1, and so on. Or else you can go for the differences. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. I know chestnut. Then next one. And 53. Now 53 children. 12 to start out in 900, 800, 900. Numbers are increasing at a very fast rate, and it must be under product or combination. Okay? Now 12 and 18. 18 into 36 and into 2 kada. And ఇక్కడ మనకి into 3 వచ్చింది కదా, into 2. కనుక ఇక్కడ ఏమవ్వాలి? into 2.5 and this is into 1.5. 1.5 to 2.53, 3.5. Now 3.5, 27 into 3, 81. 81 plus how much? And 270 divided by 2, 135. Okay, 81 plus 810 plus 135, that will be 945. Choice 1. So the 53 choice 1. And next coming to 54. Now in this 54 and 6, 24, 216. Angel Japan. Now 6 and this is into 4. Next one 24 and 216. And those Japan 24 into 9 అనుకుంటా కదా, into 10 అయితే 240 అయ్యేది, అందులో నుంచి 24 తీస్తే 216. సరిపోయిందా? అండ్ ఇంటూ 4 into 9 ఇంకా మనం చూడాల్సిన పని లేదు. ఇంటూ 16 into 25 into 36 చెప్పండి. నా 6 into 4, 24. 40 into 6, 240 రావాలి లాస్ట్లో. 40 వచ్చింది ఓన్లీ చాయిస్. నాకు క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అవసరం లేదు వీటి. నా ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది 4, ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ 6. 40 into 6, 240 అయితే రావాలి. ఇక్కడ మనకి లాస్ట్ సెకండ్ డిజిట్ 4 ఉండాలి. 4 ఎక్కడైనా ఉందా? ఓన్లీ ఇన్ చాయిస్ 2, 54. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు దిస్ 55. మా 55, 60 and 30 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? 60 into 1/2, 30 రాసుకోవచ్చమ్మా. నా ఇంటూ 1/2, ఫైన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇంటూ 1/3. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇంటూ 1/4 అంటే 2.5 సరిపోయింది కదా. 2 1/2 ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 2.5. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇంటూ 1/5. నా 5/2 ఇంటూ 1/5 అంటే ఏమైపోయింది? 5 got cancelled, 1/2 మిగిలింది. ఇప్పుడు 1/2 ఇంటూ how much? 1/6. 1/2 into 1/6, 1/12, that is choice 4. Question number 55, choice 4 is the answer. Done with this paper?